First line. World Day Against Child Labor is observed on the 12th of June every year. Second line. It spreads awareness about the problems of child labor. Third line. Many children are forced to work at a very young age. Fourth line. Child labor affects children's education and health. Fifth line. Every child has the right to study and play. Sixth line. Governments and organizations work together to stop child labor. Seventh line. Poverty is one of the main causes of child labor. Eighth line. People should support education for all children. Ninth line. We must protect children from dangerous work. 10th line. World Day Against Child Labor encourages everyone to build a better future for children.